In today's video, I'm showing how you can remove people and objects in Final Cut Pro, and I'm going to be using the famous clip from Game of Thrones where there's a Starbucks coffee cup in the middle of the shoot, and I'm also going to remove the person. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is find right where the footage starts, where it is going to show the person and the cup. I'm going to hit M to mark it, and I'll hit Command B. Now I want to find a decent spot where you can easily see the person and the cup. I'm going to hit M again one more time just to mark it. And now I'm going to share this frame, and I'll just title it Edit. So now I'll open up Pixelmator Pro, which is also from Apple. I'll take the image and remove the image layer. So here we go. So now using the repair tool, it's right here. I'm going to remove the person. So what this is going to do is remove the person and blend into the background. Just like that. And then do the same thing with the coffee cup. There you go, you now have the person and the coffee cup removed. So now I'm going to export this, put it as new edit, export, there we go, new edit. I'm going to go back into Final Cut. So this is where I took this frame from. I'm going to hold down Option and move this clip above itself. Turn down this volume so there's not two volumes. Click on this button and click on Add Magnetic Mask. And now I will select the person and the coffee cup. Putting down Option, you get a negative, and then you can go and unadd everything around, and then click Analyze. And so right here, looks like it did a pretty good job. So now we'll go ahead and go to Invert. So now if I click V on the bottom clip, it removes it, and as you can see, it did a great job of removing the person and the coffee cup. I'm going to go ahead and add the feather just to make it a little bit bigger. I'll grab the new edit clip, drag this below, and so right here it fills it in. So now the problem is it doesn't track with it. So I'm going to click on V on both of those, and I'm now going to add a tracker. So you want to make sure that what you track is not covered and that it stays still. So I'll go ahead and track part of this bowl right here. It doesn't have to be perfect, so let's just see if this does. Cool. So yeah, it looks like it did really good. So now we can go back to here. This is the frame that we want it to be at. And now when you click on the transform button, go to tracker, object track. And now as you can see, it tracked with the footage, it removed the person and the coffee cup, and now here's what it looks like.
Most people get bloody murdered. They stay that way.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.